What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Me and my dad are heading over to Bald Eagle State Forest, and we're going to be like exploring some of the off-road trails over there. We're not doing anything like difficult, like with rock climbing or anything, because we're actually both in stock vehicles. I'm in my stock 2005 Chevy 2500 DURAMAX, and he just bought the new 2021 Jeep Gladiator, the WILLYS edition. So it should be very fun. We're gonna see how stock vehicles do. We're gonna be heading back down later with like when we have lift kits and stuff with a bunch of people. So right now we're just kind of exploring the trails, seeing like what we like, what we don't like, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, well, we've probably been driving for about an hour and a half now. We just stopped at Cabela's, grabbed some walkie-talkies so we can talk on our way there and while we're on the trails. And the scenery here is awesome. I'm sure you'll see it in some of these videos. But I'll check back in when we're closer to there or when we get there. Alright, so we're in a town right outside of the state forest called Lewisburg, and we're just looking at the map right now, seeing what trails we're going to want to take. This is my dad, by the way, if you guys don't know him. Alright, so the road we were on just turned into this trail. And we're going into four-wheel drive now. It's all ice. So here we go. I'm going to try my best to, I'm going to try my best to record outside shots. It's just really cold out here, so we'll see how it goes. It's pretty crazy. We've been on this trail going in for probably only like 5 minutes now, but the whole entire thing is just one huge sheet of ice, hard ice. It's not soft at all. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the other trails that branch off of this look like. Alright, we just took our first turn off of that main trail, and now we're heading, I think we're heading up a mountain, and we're going to try to make our destination like the peak of the mountain. It's a nice little point to stop, take pictures. It looks like the ice is getting a little bit softer, so it's more snow. Alright, well, I got stuck trying to make it up this trail, heading up to the top of the mountain. It's just, my truck is a lot heavier than that Jeep, and it's digging deep into the snow, and I don't have great tires for this, so I'm gonna park it here right now and then hop in the Jeep, and we're gonna head to the top, and then I can make it down, so we'll be good. We'll come pick the truck back up, and now we're gonna head to the top in the Jeep. You can see in my tracks here, it was digging. Usually when it digs, then it will catch traction when it gets to like the hard ground. But as you can tell, the hard ground is a very thick piece of ice. So it would dig down to that and then just keep spinning. And then you can see right here, this is the Jeep's tracks. Since it's so much lighter, it's not even going that deep, and it's just going right up. Got this little tree in the way, just cutting it down a little bit, so trying to save the paint a little bit. Look at this view. That's the trail we're going up. Alright, so you guys can tell the problem we're having with the trucks just sinking in and then hitting that big sheet of ice. So if you look here, this is where we came in, and we were all good here. We came up here, and then right here, when I said we turned onto like a trail to head up the mountain, this is where we turned up. I started having issues probably like right here, and we're probably like right here now. So now my dad's just gonna reverse down to my truck, and we're gonna try to get back down to right here, and then probably finish out this trail and see where that takes us. Since we were good here, we should be good there, hopefully. We'll see. Oh, this is pretty scary considering there's a cliff right there. Alright, I got back to my truck and got off of that trail, and we're back on that main trail now. And like I said, look, it's just much better now. It's more solid. I'm not digging through it. I'm kind of just riding on top of it. So this is probably what we're gonna have to do today, which is still amazing. When we come back, it's probably not gonna be all ice. So then we'll definitely make that our way up that mountain. Alright, so we're heading out of the trails right now. It's getting dark in about 15 minutes, so we're just gonna make our way out, and we're getting a hotel, and we're gonna be right back out here tomorrow. So I will see you guys then. Alright, so we're on our way. It's the next day. We're on our way back to the trails. We just got off this exit, and it actually looks like the trails are gonna pick up right here, right where we left off yesterday. So let's see where the roads take us today. Alright, we just made it up this one trail, and we finally found one of the viewpoints. Look at this. I know it probably doesn't look the same on camera than it does in person, but it's crazy. One thing about this whole trip, you see how cold it is with every branch, every leaf on every tree is just covered in ice. It looks insane, as you can see in like the sunlight, how it's all just reflecting. It looks awesome. Alright, we got a little roadblock here. Can go around, but just for other people, and taking care of the trails. We're just gonna pull it out of the way. Alright, so my dad just took like a separate trail going up like a narrower trail, and I didn't want to do that one yet. I'll be doing stuff like that probably during the summer when it's not as icy, but since that issue I was having yesterday, I'm not going to try to do that right now, but I'm actually going to hop in his Jeep because he said that trail was awesome, so we're going to go back up there so I can get it on camera, and we'll head there now.
So this is when you ask me if it's going up. I'm like, yeah, I'm kind of going up.
Alright, so we just came down that trail back to my truck. I think that's about going to wrap it up for today. The next time we come, I know he's probably definitely going to have a lift and wheels. I don't know. With building my 240 and everything, if you guys follow that on my channel, I don't know how much extra. My phone just ran out of storage, but like I was saying, I don't know how much extra money I'm going to be having to put into this and the 240. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time we're gonna come, it's definitely not gonna be all this ice and snow. We're probably gonna come in the summer with a couple more trucks and Jeeps and stuff. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Comment things you like to see, things you don't like to see. Help me improve and help you guys enjoy the videos a little bit better. So I'll see you guys next time. Later.